In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to solve a math problem step by step. To begin, open ChatGPT and start a new chat. Starting with a fresh chat can help keep things organized, especially if you want the explanation to stay focused on just one problem. Once you're in, type your math problem directly into the chat. If the problem is written on paper or shown in an image, you can also upload it instead. The key is to make sure the full problem is clear and easy to read so ChatGPT can respond accurately. After that, ask ChatGPT to solve the problem step by step. This is important because it turns the answer into a learning process instead of just giving you the result. When the solution is broken down clearly, it's much easier to see how one step leads to the next. If you're studying for a test or trying to strengthen your skills, this kind of detailed explanation can be much more useful than a quick final answer. Next, tell ChatGPT to explain the formula or method used. This helps you understand why the solution works, not just what the answer is. For example, if the problem uses algebra, fractions, geometry, or a specific equation, having the method explained can help you recognize similar patterns in future problems. It also gives you the bigger picture behind the calculation. As you read the response, review each step carefully. Don't rush through it. Take a moment to check whether each part makes sense and whether you can follow the logic from beginning to end. If something seems unclear, that's completely normal. In that case, ask follow-up questions about the step that confused you. You can ask ChatGPT to simplify the explanation, reword it, or show that part in a different way. Sometimes hearing the same idea explained differently makes everything click. Once you've gone through the explanation, check the final answer yourself. This is a good habit because it helps you catch mistakes and build confidence in your own understanding. You can compare the result with your notes, textbook method, or even work the problem again on your own to confirm it. Most importantly, use the explanation to understand the topic, not just copy the answer. The real value comes from learning how the problem is solved so you can do similar ones by yourself later. If you approach it this way, ChatGPT can be a helpful study partner for practicing math more effectively.